everyone that has degenerative disc disease or whatever I have does not develop pain?
Not always. All right.
Okay.
So with arthritis, because that's synonymous to a degenerative disc disease or degenerative joint disease, it really depends exactly where that arthritis is developing. Okay. There are people who, like, you look at an X-ray and there will be extensive degeneration, and they're completely pain-free. Why? Because it's all in benign locations. And then you'll get a person who has just one little tiny centimeter or a few millimeters in the exact wrong position, perhaps encroaching into a nearby nerve, and that person could be in debilitating pain.